My channel name is Excel Fundamentals, and any questions on any Excel uh, issues, you can reach out to me on spreadsheet by madhu@gmail.com, or you can subscribe my channel to see each and every video and get to know about Excel in detail. So today I'll take you through one of the important topics, which is nothing but uh, your M365 and its uses. Yeah, M365 is the latest version of Microsoft, which is available at a affordable rate and which is easy to use, and you can play around or customize anything of your requirement and learn things. So this is the home page of M365, wherein you can see there are a number of things. Yeah, you can install applications directly from here. Once you subscribe to uh, the Microsoft 365 account, you'll get a 1 TB of data storage in cloud. Yes, and a lot of other applications like Word document, PowerPoint, Excel workbook. You can create forms, you can create quiz within your organization or externally, you can create lists, you can record videos to upload to your YouTube channel or any sort. Yeah, you can create pages also. Yeah, so if you go to the next one, it is called create. From here directly you can create any kind of uh, uh, be it workbook, be it presentation, anything of that sort you can create directly from here. They've got certain templates also which you can easily use once you have an account with the Microsoft providers. Yeah, so there are no number of templates basis your requirement you can use, like existing forms you can use existing templates for Excel. Yeah, so I'll show you one example which is already available in or readily available, which you can just alter as per your requirement and use it. So this is nothing but the project planner, which you can directly use it from here. Nice template with graphs and other stuff. Yeah, so similar way we have got next one, which is my content, wherein you'll see what are the items you have recently created. Yeah, if anyone is sharing any of the templates directly to your Outlook account or Microsoft account, that will be available here. Files, anything. Yeah, whatever attachments you have, that you can save here. You can add favorites also. Yeah, under favorites, say uh, if you add this to favorite, let me show you another one. So let's add this to the favorite. You will be able to see it in the favorites folder. Then applications is nothing but what are the applications available for you within M365. You can see calendar, you can see editor, you can family safety list, you can create forms, you can create. Yeah, you can uh, create groups within your friends or within your organization. You can use the Skype also, that is available. Yeah, to-do list also you can do, which you can follow on a daily basis. Then there is a power automate. If you have a daily task list, you want to schedule it, you can do that very well directly from here. Yeah, then these are separate applications which you can manually open and see. This is the OneDrive, this is the Teams. Microsoft is providing it is a chart option available from Microsoft, which you can easily use it. So uh, next thing is how to use all these easily. Yeah, so just a single click, yeah, you can create anything. of that sort. So let me show you one of the examples now, which is easy. Yeah. So to-do list. Yeah. To-do list is something you can record your daily tasks. Yeah. Let this open. Give it 1 minute of time, and your to-do list is ready. Yeah. So here you can add your tasks. Yeah. So say send mail to the team. Yeah. Give a date tomorrow. Yeah. Give a reminder to me tomorrow at 9 a.m. Yeah. So that will be available with you. Yeah. So I'm just deleting. We can see the uh, task list once that is added here. Yeah, if someone has assigned any of the tasks directly to you using your Microsoft account, then you can see those here. Then what is planned, that will be available here, and important ones will be available here if you mark it as important. And this is how my day is. Yeah, you can add it. Yeah, you can add number of lists, you can give a name to this list. Yeah, anything of that sort you can do within the M365 web browser. You can also have these things in the desktop available also. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and like.